Hello class. Today we are going to discuss data basics and the activities involved in data processing. As we have tomorrow discussed that what is data processing? The process of manipulating data to achieve required objectives and result is called data processing. Today we are going to discussing that activities or steps involved in data processing. First step is data capturing. Data capturing is the basic component or the basic activity involved in data processing. It is the main activity that involves in data processing. Because if we don't have data, we can't get an understanding of data processing. The process of recording the data in some form is called data capture. The process of recording data in some form is called data capturing. You can also write this definition by stopping or pause the video, so you will get notes also. Now the second step is data manipulation. Data manipulation, the process of applying different operations on data is called data manipulation. Now we have collected the data, but we have to do some operations on it to manipulate it so that we can get the data processing. First step in data manipulation occurs classifying. A process of organizing data into classes and groups is called classifying. For example, you need to calculate the data of class 3 and class 5. So you have to classify in groups like the result of class 5 and result of class 3. Next step is calculation. Next step is calculation. As if you want to calculate some data, you have to put some operations like arithmetic operations, as we have discussed tomorrow, arithmetic units like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The next step is sorting. The process of arranging data in the logical sequence is called sorting. Suppose the data is illogical sequence, like the students of college. So it is illogical because we don't know what are the classes, what are the roll numbers, what are students is talking about, because the college is very huge and there are a lot of students. So sorting means in logical arrangement of data like 1 2 3 up to so on. Summarizing, the last step of data manipulation is summarizing. The process of reducing large amount of data into small size that is more easily readable by us is called summarizing. To summarize the data, like we have a huge information, and by manipulating, by capturing, by process different operation, we can summarize the data that is easy to read, like class 6 and class 5 results. Now the last step is managing output results. Managing output results means the following activities that can be performed after the step of data capturing and data manipulation. First step is storage. Now we can get the input, we have to store that input. Retrieval means the fetching of stored data, means we have stored the data but we don't know how to find that data, so this is wrong process. In this we need retrieval of that data, means we have to easily fetch that data or information that we have already stored. Communicate means to provide results, to provide the output from one location to another, communicate the output results. Reproductions means if you have a huge information, the process of copying. If you are some doubts that the data will be lost or not, so you can make a backup copy. This is called reproduction. So students, this is our topic, data basics activities involved in data processing as completed. I hope you all understand it, but if you have any query, you can ask me in comments.